It is important to let your colleagues know when you are available, away, or in a meeting, for instance. In this video, you will learn how to change your availability, set a status message, and manage priority access if you are in Do Not Disturb mode. To change your availability status in Microsoft Teams, click your account avatar at the top right of the application. Displayed at the top of the menu is my current availability status, which for me is set to available. If you hover your mouse over this, a side menu will appear on the right. From the side menu, you can set your availability to available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, appear away, and finally appear offline. I'm going to set my availability to appear away by clicking on that option from the menu. And now at the bottom right of my avatar is a yellow clock, indicating I am away. And if I hover over the avatar, a pop-up appears stating that I am away. I'll click on my avatar again and then hover over away in the menu. At the bottom of the side menu are the options to set a duration for your availability status. Click this and from the new menu under the heading Status, click the drop-down arrow to open the drop-down menu. From this menu, choose an availability status. I'll select Appear Away. Then I'll click the drop-down arrow under the heading Reset Status after. And from the drop-down menu, I'll select 1 hour. Then I'll click the Done button at the bottom right. And now my availability is set to Away and will reset after 1 hour. Note that if you are in a meeting or if you have a call scheduled in your Outlook or Teams calendar, your availability status will automatically change to In a Meeting, with the red dot displayed at the bottom right of your avatar. To set your availability status to Do Not Disturb, click your account avatar again at the top right. From the menu, hover over your current status, and from the side menu on the right, select the Do Not Disturb option. A notification now appears at the top center of the application, stating that when Do Not Disturb is enabled, you won't receive any notifications on Teams, but you can add exceptions for certain people. On the right of the notification, I'll click on the Change Settings link. This will open the Settings window and the Privacy tab will be selected. Under the heading Do Not Disturb, click the Manage Priority Access button. From this window, you can enter in a contact's name into the text field. I'll type out the name Lisa Washington and then select her contact from the suggestion list. And now the contact Lisa Washington has been given priority access, meaning when my status is set to Do Not Disturb, I will still receive notifications and messages from her. I'll add the contact John Smith to this list by typing his name into the text field and selecting it from the suggestion list. To remove a contact from the priority access list, click the X icon to the right of their name, and the contact John Smith has now been removed. Note that you can change this list at any time. I'll close this window by clicking the X icon at the top right. During a business trip, for example, I can set a status message telling my colleagues that I am away and have the status reset automatically after some time. To do this, I'll click on my avatar at the top right, and from the menu select Set Status Message. A text field will then appear in the window. Into the text field, I'll type out a short message. I would also like to mention someone in my message. To do this, I'll press the @ key on my keyboard. And from the suggestion list that appears, I'll select the contact Lisa Washington. I'll then click the Done button at the bottom right. My new status message now appears at the top of the menu. From here, I can edit the message using the pencil icon, or I can delete it using the garbage can icon. I'll click on the pencil icon, and from the bottom of the status message window, you also have the option of showing this status message when people message you on Teams by checking the box to the left of this option. You can also set a custom date for when the message resets by clicking the drop-down arrow under Clear Message Status after, and from the menu select Customized. I'll click the date text field and select the date January the 17th from the calendar. I'll click on the time text field, scroll down the menu, and select the time 8 p.m. Once done, I'll click the Done button at the bottom right. I'll click Away to close this menu. This has been an overview on managing availability and status in Microsoft Teams.